Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Walk into the Pokémon Center and approach the reception counter directly. Talk to the receptionist using the button to open the service menu. Select the queue option to see your current ticket number and position in line. The screen displays an estimated wait time in minutes for each ticket. You can also view queue status through the wireless link if you are connected to online services. After obtaining a ticket, you may hold or cancel it from the queue menu. Hold keeps your spot. Cancel releases the spot to the next trainer instantly. Typical service actions, such as deposit or withdraw, take about 2 to 5 minutes each. Use the center terminal to rearrange or switch Pokémon between boxes while you wait. Remember that performing actions may adjust your estimated wait time accordingly in the queue display. If the queue shows an incorrect position, first update your game version and reconnect the wireless connection. Restarting the Pokémon Center or reloading your save often refreshes queue data correctly. Checkbox capacity limits. Most centers use 30 Pokémon per box as a practical guideline when planning moves. If online queues are long, use the offline PC to access your boxes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.